Did you know there was a group of black warriors who beat the US military for 40 years straight? They never taught you about the Black Seminoles. Picture this. Escaped slaves team up with Seminole Indians in Florida. Together they built their own nation with their own towns and government. And when America tried to destroy them, they fought back and won most of their battles. Meet John Horse and Abraham. Both were formerly enslaved men who became military commanders. These men sat at tables with U.S. generals as equals, negotiating treaties like world leaders. For 3 separate wars from 1817 to 1858, the Black Seminoles used guerrilla tactics that made the U.S. military look foolish. They knew every swamp, every trail, every hiding spot in the South. Here's the crazy part. America spent over $40 million trying to defeat them. That's more money than they paid for the entire Louisiana Purchase. When many finally left for Mexico, they kept fighting as cavalry units. They were so powerful that history tried to erase them completely.